Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create an extension for the admin low notification, stock notifications. So here is a tutorial on that. So I have created this one. So you have the situation for enable yes, notify quantity below 1, email you can put it over here. So I'm going to add my mail, Magento developer 1993 at gmail.com. Okay, so low notification by default quantity to be 1. Okay, so here I'm going to make a product quantity. So if I go to my catalog products, okay, suppose this quantity is basically 44. Okay, so I'm going to make it 2. Okay, or I'm going to add going to purchase this product. In which category it is? Motorola. So let me go to my directory. So here we need sign in. I don't remember anything. So sign in with any account I have. Maybe this work. Create an account. No, we will do the simple purchase. Which product it is? It is this one. Add to cart. Requested quantity is not available. It is not available. Why? Okay, let's make it 3. Let me check with the sales orders. Let's do another. Let's add new product. Maybe that is not ordered, or maybe they are in the queue, that is ordered but not placed yet, delivered yet. So we are going to add a new product. Yes, demo 56 product, price 1, quantity 2, category this one. Save this. Now go to the category where it is. Now add to cart, added, proceed to checkout, email. So we're going to fill in everything over here. Five is next. Payment, place order. Okay, so let's go to the sales orders. This is the quantity. Make it let's make it invoice and ship. Okay, these two things are done. Let's see whether the mail is coming or not. No, no, there is no email. Again, continue shopping. Add to cart. Okay, proceed to checkout. Next, place order. Go to the sales orders. We have this one, invoice, ship. If I go again and placing the order, what are we going to do? The product is not showing, and whether I'm going this, see, product quantity notification is coming, product low stock notification. So you will see that this product is out of stock, so you can go and put that stock with the this, you can search with the SKU, right? So this is how you can do with the product low stock notification. If you want the code review or code source, or if you want that I will explain the full source code, then please write in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.